We're Tim and Finn. If you're new here, we're on a California road trip in this van. Today we're in the town of Solvang and it is currently 106 degrees. So we're heading straight out of here this moment because that's a little hot for us. If you'd like to see us fail more at this California road trip, you can also check out our smoke-filled Yosemite videos where we were kicked off Highway 1 in Big Sur, or where it was too cold in San Francisco to really do anything. Hang out and enjoy the view. Well, it's not Big Sur, but it is the ocean. Es perfecto! Bien hecho, T.
Es muy despacito. Hablo... Wait, see? Point the camera.
Está bien. Él quiere aprender a hablar en español. Y vamos a practicar cada día.
Alright, I'm totally comfortable trading in windmills for this today. This was the right decision. I'm sure the windmills are great, by the way, no offense. We did try stopping at 2 different state beach and coastal area beach access areas. Everything's closed unless you have reservations. So not only is this the best option, it's the only option.
Last chance for the paddleboard, and we're still so glad we brought it.
Bringing the paddleboard was such a good idea. I think we used it 4 or 5 times this whole trip, but they were in spots we couldn't get paddleboards. Okay.
So it's only 20 pounds. Yes, I can set it up, doesn't have to be Tim, and it's a little bit of a workout to get it inflated, but the real workout starts when you have to get it up to 15 PSI.
Hi, paddle baby.
Bright lights and colors. Love is for the ones who dare to wait. No use in running.
This is the most obvious thing if you're from California, but we're west of Santa Barbara right now, and there are a bunch of places we saw along 101 that you can pull off and get to the beach here. Feels like we're finally van life. For real though. Like, we didn't have plans today. We saw everybody pulled off to the side of the highway. Here we are. It's perfect.
Oh my gosh. The kelp forest scuba is gonna be so scary tomorrow.
You were out there pretty far.
It's so pretty. That was the scouting mission, Tim. You have to go out and bring the GoPro. It's so pretty. I guess I kind of just thought that kelp was like laying on the surface. Like you can like see it.
Stranding.
You can see the whole plant, but it just like fades off into the abyss. I don't know how deep it is out here. It's so pretty. We gotta show you guys. Let's go. New mission.
I don't know why this feels so spooky. It's just not like the ocean that we're familiar with. I don't know what we'll be hiding in these tomorrow. I mean, even if we see a friendly sea lion or something just come peeking around, it's gonna, yeah. I mean, you're just surrounded by seaweed right now, but just still looking down there, like trying to see through it. It's spooky. Again, if you're from California, no big deal. This is why we travel though. Learn about seaweed. It was good. It's still sort of creepy, and it shouldn't be. It's just seaweed, I don't know.
So beautiful.
So beautiful.
For a bit of spontaneity. We didn't have very much on this trip, which is really what the camper van is all about. But, you know, doing national parks like Sequoia, Yosemite, even competitive places like Tahoe, you do kind of need a plan if you want to find some of those great nights. Tonight is our last night in the van because we have hotels booked the following 2 nights, just so that we can clean out the van, sleep after scuba diving, that kind of stuff. Do I have the keys?
I found this hat out in the kelp. If somebody wants this, send us an email, ship it to you.
Tim, always picking up garbage. Good job.
It's an eco-friendly shower.
That's van life, baby. I was just saying to Tin that the only thing that could make today better is a little visit to an In-N-Out. And thankfully, dotted all along the California coast.
Oh my God. Do you see that?
Oh my God. Well, it's Labor Day. Maybe there's like tourists. Okay, if you're from another country or from a region of the US, you don't know what this is. It's just a fast food chain. It's so good. It's like a cult, okay? So it's like when you are in an area of the country where there is one, you gotta have it. We've passed 2 others throughout this trip that we haven't stopped at because the lines have been ridiculous. Northbound outside of LA, and then kind of like southbound leaving San Francisco on the weekend, like on a Friday night.
Fresno
just like,
too, it was insane.
Oh yeah, Fresno. 100 cars, like almost out onto the highway exit in some strip mall where there's like not even enough space to put all these cars waiting in the In-N-Out drive-thru. So we'll go scope the scene if we can even get in there. Oh my god. Okay, there's not even like a...
There's 2 lines.
No way. Well, maybe it's super fast though?
I doubt it. We could go pull in and put our order in person. I bet that's way faster.
Are you allowed to go in?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those people are going in.
Okay.
All right.
If you're from another country and you're watching it and you made jokes about Americans and hamburgers, I mean, it's not a joke apparently.
Yeah.
Guilty
And
as
here
charged.
we are.
I sure like these hamburgers and we'll wait hours for them.
I don't know if this is relevant. We haven't been eating beef or pork just to try that out. I don't know. So this is a big deal because neither of us can really remember the last time we had it. So
I don't think this year.
in all of 2020,
I had a beef hot dog, and that's barely even beef.
we had ham at Easter, and we had ham at Easter.
Yeah,
that might have
I
been
think
it.
that's
I don't know.
In-N-Out Burger is worth breaking that streak. Then we'll get back on the wagon. If you're willing to get out of your car here, you can save about an hour of your life to get your hamburger. This is not high stakes.
Oh boy.
That does not look good on camera, but that looks amazing in real life.
Wait, all these people have little boxes and stuff. Why ours is all like flop?
I asked for it to go. I thought we were eating in the van at first.
Oh. I didn't know.
This beautiful baby is on me.
Okay.
Your gluten-free goodness is in there somewhere.
Thank you.
Okay.
That sauce is so good. It's like what's called animal sauce, right? And it's like Thousand Island.
I think it's special sauce. Yeah. I might eat 2 of these.
What is it like to eat beef?
I missed it.
Yeah.
Last night in the van, and in a proud tradition, I can't imagine spending it anywhere else but the parking lot of Cracker Barrel. Feels like home. One very sleepy dog. Oh, here she is, the home mocker.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired. This has been so much fun. Tomorrow's gonna be so crazy. I'm kind of nervous, and I'm just happy to be in California. It's so cool here. I just like feel cool.
It's okay to be happy. It's the last time making the bed.
This last corner.
These sheets are getting burnt.
I don't think I'm gonna make it. This corner's not gonna happen.
We're gonna throw them in a dumpster and throw a match on top. Except, no, not California.
This is like,
Okay, I'm gonna come help you.
this is like not the right size. This is like not a normal sized bed, so it's just like.
Here, I know somebody who can help you. One dirty dog. One dirty, sandy, dirty beach dog.
Hi, dirty beach dog. Okay.
On second thought, we will not be staying at our beloved Cracker Barrel. I was taking Pepper for night potties and walked by a sign that just said no overnight parking here. And this Cracker Barrel is not freestanding, it's in this mall area, and it's all part of the same no parking area. We have an early enough morning as it is. We don't want to get woken up by a knock on the door. It's just not a good feeling. Meanwhile, Allison. Hi, Allison.
Hi, everybody. I don't feel good. Sorry.
She's getting ready for scuba. Well, well, well. After all that smack talk, here we are, crawling back into our warm embrace for our final night. Just now in the context, again, if you're not from the US and you're watching this, now we've made a big day of going to eat hamburgers and sleeping at Walmart. Kind of want to light off some fireworks and shoot an AR. Let's have an all-American episode, and we are not the only people sleeping here tonight. Finney's giggling in the back. Is that it? Is that all we got tonight?
No countries will let us in. This is the only thing we can do right now.
We're stuck. Wow. There's some van lives here, and there are some van lives here. What do you want to do?
Just go over by the other RV.
Okay.
Or we could go to the overlander spot.
Beside the sign saying no overnight parking, that Walmart was pretty gross anyways. There looked like some sketch stuff going on there, so we're gonna invest 10 whole more minutes in going to an overlander spot that's really well reviewed and recently reviewed. Maybe there'll be some van life over there. We're here, and we're here is still in Ventura, California. Overlander app to the rescue. There is one RV parked alongside the road already. Not our favorite place to sleep. It is right next to the road, but it looks safe enough. And there's other people here. I mean, it's unprecedented time, so there's no camping available. This is what you get. Perfect. We just need to sleep.
We just need it for like 6 hours. Scuba, scuba.
Scuba. Good night. How come you never see any of this on Instagram?
I was laughing with some of you on Instagram a couple hours ago because some guy on YouTube was saying that we always complain and stuff. And it was like on the Alcan Highway driving up to Alaska. I'm like, yeah, there's potholes, this is just what it is. Whatever.
You gotta be flexible.
Oh wait, did we even show how tall we are in here?
Good night, Pepper.